Hey guys, my name is Bryant Koshu and I am a concept artist in the entertainment industry. Today, I'd like to talk about one of the most common problems that beginning digital artists encounter. So let's dive right into it. We all started drawing with a pencil or crayon looking down at a piece of paper at one point, right? And it felt all natural to see that pencil making that mark as you make that stroke onto the paper, but once you switched over to digital, that feeling of you having to look up at the screen while your hand is still in that same position felt a bit of a disconnect and oftentimes a bit frustrating. I know I felt that way, but passion was my driving force. I wanted to make cool artwork for games and movies, and I'm sure you feel that same way, but many times we think to ourselves, where do we start from? Well, first of all, getting used to the tablet. Oftentimes when beginners first start drawing, they encounter this problem which I call them the trembling lines. This happens because of the lack of confidence when using the tablet, which makes you go slow like this, and thus creating this wobbly amateurish line. And on top of that, a lot of beginners hurry to create cool complex artworks, ignoring the simple small practices and collecting dozens of cool artistic brushes. But what they don't understand is that even with one simple brush, an experienced artist can draw almost anything. In the end, it's all about everyday practices. Many artists start off with a bit of a warm-up just so that they can open up their wrists, hands, and arm before jumping into their artwork. So here's some small exercise for you to get used to the digital tablet before jumping into creating actual artworks. Exercise number 1. Drawing S shapes. So this is a really simple exercise to warm up. You want to draw these S shape in one single swoop like this, okay? The idea is to go fast. No slow wobbly strokes like this one, okay? Try out a variety of S's, small ones, big ones, inverted ones, different direction ones, swoopier ones, but do not turn the tablet around or use the rotate canvas tool. You will find some directions a bit difficult to draw compared to the other ones, but that's normal. The point is to get comfortable with the tablet and to be able to control your strokes in a fast manner in any direction. Exercise number 2, the labyrinth. So this exercise helps you more with the stability and your stroke direction with pen pressure. Drawing simple straight line can be a little trickier than you think. The point is to draw straight clean lines in any direction. Make sure to vary up the lines, some larger, some shorter, some fatter, some thinner. You can complicate the maze by adding special treatments like these examples and make it fun and make it more artistic in your own way. And finally, exercise number 3, still life sketches. Look around you. There are just so many things you can draw, like cups, pots, fruits, and bottles, whatever. Find something that is not too complex though, more on the primitive side, and also no photocopy. But this exercise puts the previous 2 exercises to the test. You want to make these lines clean, quick, and if possible, in one swoop. And being digital, there's always Control Z to redo the line again, right? So don't worry if you screw up the lines. Not only is this a good drawing exercise, but this also strengthens your observation skills. And this is really important as an artist to distinguish value, colors, shapes. So make sure to sketch from real life and not from photo, because it's always easier copying directly from a photo and you won't be able to maximize your practice. So yeah, these exercises will get you used to the tablet in no time. As a matter of fact, these practices are great even for those who want to stick with pencils and pens. But more than just getting used to the tablet, these exercises will help you with your craftsmanship. Have you heard of the saying that to become a professional, you have to spend 10,000 hours on training? It takes much less time to master a graphic tablet, but still be ready for some routine work. Regular exercises are like meditations for my students. Sometimes the students get really creative with it. And kudos for those who already have graphic tablets and played around in Photoshop, but many students started off with no digital experience whatsoever. But by the end of the course, they gained a good knowledge of shapes, values, colors, perspectives, compositions, and of course, digital workflow. Why not give it a shot? I hope they can be a benefit to your pursuit of digital artistry. And if you'd like to learn more, feel free to try out the free trial course by clicking on the link provided in the description. Other than that, good luck, and I hope to see you guys soon.